Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face when you're sleeping. Nature and the animal kingdom are probably the most vibrant and colorful part of our planet, adding so much beauty and aesthetic pleasure in our lives. Our oceans, sky, and land are incomplete without the wild, colorful lives of animals, and some are even on the verge of extinction, including the Amore Leopard, gorillas, cross fox, red wolves, white lions, and many more. Which is the most unfortunate? Amore Leopard. One of the most beautiful big cats with a unique coat of black splotches and flecks, Amore leopards are one of the rarest animals in the world. It is estimated that only around 60 mature Amore leopards are left in the whole world. This fact makes this animal the most endangered species of big cats on Earth. As their number has shrunk so much, only with a stroke of immense luck can Amore leopards be spotted in the Primorsky Krai region of Russia or in northeast China within the Jilin province. Seneca white deer. An extremely rare herd of deer. The Seneca white deer are leucistic, which means that they lack pigmentation in their body, the reason why they are white in appearance. They have brown eyes despite being leucistic. They are a true feast to the eye, but unfortunately, there are only 300 Seneca deer left in this world. Therefore, the species is given a special status and protected space at the former Seneca Army Depot in order to protect them from their predators and are open for public view. Gorilla. Over the years, the population of the mountain gorilla has increased due to the conservation efforts by the WWF, but they are still very small in number, and therefore, spotting a gorilla in the wild is a very rare occurrence. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes and share 98% of their genetic code with humans. They are incredible primates, and although they are rare to spot, seeing these primates in the wild is an utterly thrilling experience. Thai liger. One of the rarest animals on the planet, the Thai liger is a man-made mix between a liger and a tiger. Thai ligers are barely spotted in the wild. It is estimated that around 6 to 10 Thai ligers are present around the globe, with one Thai liger in Oroville, California. Usually, they are much larger than the average tiger cub. Unlike their other hybrid peers, this species doesn't usually have health problems, which means that there is quite a possibility of their population increasing in number. However, sincere efforts are required to do so. Spoonbill Sandpiper. Critically endangered, there are less than 100 spoon-billed sandpiper pairs left in the world. Its eye-catching bill is second only in beauty to its pretty plumage, which is just as attractive and distinct in winter as it is in the summer. This bird is an actual beauty and has got no match. The World Wildlife Foundation is doing all it can to preserve this elegant species. Red wolves. This graceful species is native to Florida and the southeast U.S. Red wolves are critically endangered, and their number is falling rapidly. It is estimated that only 20 to 40 red wolves are left in the wild, living in eastern North Carolina. Red wolves are popular for being shy and for mating for life. Wondering what mating for life is? Well, it means forming a pair and living together with your partner your whole life. Remarkable, right? Well, red wolves seem to be more committed than many human beings. Vaquita. Meet this extremely shy and probably the rarest marine animal, the vaquita. Vaquita are 5 feet long and are very near to extinction. It is speculated that there are only 60 vaquitas left in the wild open ocean. They are very hard to spot, although they reside in shallow waters. Hainan gibbons. There are only 28 individuals left of this innocent-looking species in the entire wild world. Hainan gibbons are native to China and are going extinct because of the destruction of their natural habitat. It is estimated that about 95% of this species' natural habitat has been destroyed. Sumatran rhinoceros. Sumatran rhino is the smallest rhino in terms of size and has 2 horns. It lives in the small pockets of mountain forests in Indonesia and Malaysia. They might also reside in Myanmar and Burma. Like other rhino species, Sumatran rhinos are also hunted for their horns and now are very small in number. Peruvian spider monkey. The black Peruvian spider monkeys are usually found high in the canopy of Amazon rainforests. These monkeys are essential in maintaining the natural ecosystem of the Amazon rainforest. Despite its immense importance, this species has seen a decline of over 50% in its population since the 1970s. Pika. Pika is a very tiny mammal discovered in 1983. Pikas are usually found in the very remote Xinjiang region of China. It lives in the Tian Shan mountain range of Xinjiang region. They are only 7 to 8 inches long and live on sloping bare rocks. The total number of pikas are somewhere near 1,000, and you can find them all in their natural habitat, eating grass at high elevations. Melanistic Fox. Incredibly rare and majestic, the Melanistic Fox is also known as cross fox, mainly because of 2 intersecting dark stripes on its fur. The cross fox is almost similar in appearance to the red fox, except for that their tail is bushier and has more wool under their feet. These foxes were once abundant in America, but were largely killed off during the 19th century because of high demand for their unique fur. They are very rare to be seen. Silver fox. More elusive than cross foxes, these mysterious foxes are the fully melanistic version of the cross fox. They are the result of the year of breeding between cross foxes. Silver foxes have a glossy black undercoat with a top coat that looks like it's been dusted with silver. Also, it has a tail end which is completely white. Wonderful, right? Just like cross foxes, silver foxes are very rare to catch sight of. Akalteke Horse. The next animal on our list is my personal favorite, the Akalteke Horse. This breathtakingly beautiful animal is considered to be one of the most astonishing and demanded horse breeds in the whole world. Are you curious to know why? Well, it is the most obvious thing in the world. Its otherworldly fur, which shimmers like gold in the sunlight over its slender yet muscular body, makes it a divine thing. It looks more like a sculpture perfected by the talented hands of a sculptor. In Turkmenistan, Akalteke Horse is known as the Golden Horse. This majestic breed was developed as a response to desertification of Central Asia and was used by nomadic groups to travel long distances. It is a fairly rare breed, and today there are less than 7,000 Akalteke horses left in the world. They have been put on conservation priority groups. They are so beautiful. What would you not give to take a ride on them? White lion. The king of the jungle, lions are already majestic enough, but a white lion? Oh, that's out of this world! They're so gorgeous! The white lion is actually a very rare color mutation of the southern African lion. The color mutation gives them a blonde fur coat. In some African cultures, white lions are even regarded as divine. They first appeared around 400 years ago. However, they were not known to English people until 1977, when a book titled The White Lions of Timbavati gave them prominence. Their blondish fur coat is because of a recessive mutant gene, which causes a lack of pigmentation in their body. Lion cubs that are born with a tawny fur coat are able to carry the recessive gene in their DNA and can pass it on to the future generation. However, almost like all other recessive genes, the offspring must produce 2 copies of recessive genes in their DNA to show up a blonde fur coat. This thing makes white lions extremely rare. They have already been put on the conservation list and are called vulnerable by the International Union of Conservation of Nature. Various breeding programs, zoos, and circuses have tried to selectively breed white lions to increase their number. Harpy Eagle. Next on our list is the world's largest and most powerful eagle, the Harpy Eagle. The Harpy Eagle can weigh up to 22 pounds with an impressive wingspan of 2 meters or 7 feet. Their rear talons are the same size as a grizzly bear claw, and nails are usually 3 to 4 inches long. They are found in the rainforests of Mexico, Central America, South America, and Argentina. It is unfortunate that such a majestic bird is almost extinct from the world. It has become extinct in countries like El Salvador, and their numbers are falling quickly in other countries of the world as well. The main reason for their critically endangered status is urbanization. As trees and minerals are consumed more and more by humans, their natural habitat is destroyed. The non-availability of safe areas to live in is causing the impressive bird to fall in number. The list of the world's rarest animals can go on for hours, which is actually pretty disappointing. Only if enough awareness is raised among people, there might be a hope for all of the mentioned and unmentioned incredible animals to survive.